Mama said I should stop acting weird. I'm being too loud, it's just me and my depression beard. Who are you now? More is less and less, the less appears. Feeling true that, but I guess I got some ends to share. Yo.
Do know the rules, everything. Maybe watch the world die. Trooping to the city, got 450 on the third track. Moving to the boomerang, 7 train Fox noise. Can't wait for the finals of to dial up that nice joint. Convoys calling us, magic in the majesty. A feathered flock of vegetation mobs that never got with gravity.
Is he giving like the thing where he's gonna, where he's gonna like pinch your neck like fucking Spock?
Yeah, where he's like, where it looks like it's like it could come in. It's like when someone in the movies acts like they're gonna be nice and then they abuse you. It's Jesus makes
supposed to, but
he's W.
He's W.
Exactly, but he agreed to do it. You know what I mean? He agreed to do it.
W rules, like, dude. W really does. I know. I love W. I know we're like, now that we've gone through Trump, we're like, dude. W's just a former drunk who's like, man, Dick Cheney's a fucking piece of shit. He's like, hey, I watched that movie. It was fucking great. Christian Bale sounded just like him. Just like to get W's review of fucking Cheney.
But did you see W, that movie that Oliver Stone did?
Yeah, with Josh Brolin.
I was like, I want to party with this guy.
Yeah, I don't know.
He likes baseball. He can throw a heater.
Dude, he owned the Rangers and tanked them.
Do a case.
He just, pss, pss, pss. Yeah, he's
warm and fuzzy when I.
This is just, yeah. Dude, just make fun of that.
That's probably what I'll riff on, that none of his actual friends are here.
Yeah, dude. This is clearly, and it's on OnlyFans, right?
Yeah, I want to point to the last few times I've seen, Joey Diaz and him interact. It's been Joey Diaz just leaving him constantly. Joey's constantly leaving him.
That, you should dose him, Ferrari. Just get one in. Just get in.
I might dose.
Bobby, I wouldn't even try to clean it. I would just leave it there because there's no possible way you're going to move this thing out to clean that dust.
Two of our placemats fell behind that two-door fridge, and it's gone forever.
That's fucking nuts. I don't listen. I want to see the stats on that one.
That's crazy.
That's crazy.
It has 2 freezers.
That's not.
Are you an experienced Class A driver looking to earn the pay you truly deserve? I can help you with that. I am Fernando Cortez, Senior Vice President of Transportation with Walmart. And I am excited to announce that we have increased our driver pay across the nation. Starting in March, we raised the mileage and activity pay for all of our Class A drivers because you deserve to get paid for all the aspects of the job. Drivers can now earn up to $110,000 in their first year, with the opportunity to earn more down the road. We believe this